Slays here, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be the 5-minute makeup challenge. I just want to do something fun because this coronavirus has been like, you know, all over the internet, and like, you just need a break from it, okay? You just need a break. So basically the rules, you have 5 minutes to try to get as much of your face done as possible. I didn't moisturizer, primer, or anything, so that's going to be included in my 5 minutes. So if you're new, hi, my name is Winter. Also, if you guys want a video on my 2-strand twist, because I am starting a twist journey, but I'm going to have to redo my twist, but that's going to be a whole nother time. So if you want that video, just leave a comment down below and I will put that out for you. Alright, so I have 5 minutes. Wow. 5 minutes on the timer. So as soon as I set the phone down, it will begin now. Okay, so y'all, my makeup usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what I'm doing, where I'm going. And like the quickest makeup I ever did was 15 minutes, but it wasn't nothing spectacular. I don't even have a goddamn these days. So I did trim up my brows the other day, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but in my videos, this eyebrow is thicker than this eyebrow for some reason. Like, always tried to fix it, tried to trim it, cut it, whatever, but this eyebrow is just always thin as hell. So, wow, them eyebrows look a mess. Oh my god. We got 3 minutes and 23 seconds left. That's what I have to do. Oh my god, let's see. Come on. They don't want me to be great out here. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Alright. So now I'm going to just put... It doesn't look that bad, honestly, but it's bad. Like, I don't even have a beauty blender wet right now, and I do not use no dry blender. Okay, we got 2 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, then I'm going to take my contour. I'm going to try to list everything down below what I'm using. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, just take the excess, rub it over. Then I'm going to take, okay, we got 1 minute. We can get this done, guys. Then I'm going to take my setting powder. It's just by Too Faced. Okay, we got 40 seconds. So I'm going to take that same brush, 30 seconds left. Take that same brush, then 24 seconds, take the setting spray. Then a little lip gloss, 16 seconds. Nine. Oh my god. Y'all, look at my eyebrows. But everything else really don't look that bad. Like, I could have had a little more foundation, but it doesn't look that bad. Okay, so like this is really the finished look. Everything else really don't look that bad, but these goddamn eyebrows though. That's it for this video. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do. And also follow me on Instagram, which is linked down below. Also hit me up on Twitter, which is linked down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.